welcome back to another video. Damn, she's filthy. I've been saying for the last week that I'm gonna go and wash this car, but I haven't, as you guys can see. But today, for sure am. Anyways, today I'm gonna be giving you guys a POV drive. Now that I'm boosted, I got a couple DMs of people telling me to do a POV drive. They want to hear that turbo flutter, you know, that turbo sound, whatever you want to call it. So that's what we're about to do today. So let me just start this thing up. It's not a cold start because I drove it earlier, so. And it also has an exhaust leak, so my car is definitely not running how it should be. If you guys haven't watched my last video to see how much this car made, I'll leave the link in the description. There was a video when I dyno tuned the Z, so right now she's only like on, I think 10 pounds or 11 pounds. Ever since the exhaust leak, it went down. So, and by the way, my AFR is not reading correctly. Excuse my beaner music. But yeah, don't mind the AFR gauge. It's not reading correctly. The boost gauge is reading correctly, but the AFR isn't. I get a lot of people telling me like, bro, you're running too lean. It's not running too lean. It's just the AFR gauge is not working. The reason I know is because when we're tuning on up rev, you're able to see what AFR you're running, and it's definitely not 14.7. So let me just get that out of the way, because there's always that one person, bro, you're running lean. So yeah, it's not running lean. You guys probably looking at me like, why does he have that thing in his head? Because I have the GoPro head mount. Honestly, it's pretty nice weather today. I don't know if you guys can hear that exhaust leak, but it's not that hot actually. What the hell? It says it's 89 degrees, but it definitely doesn't feel like 89 degrees. So I was planning on doing it earlier, but it was just too hot, and since I am boosted, like I don't want to heat soak my turbo and stuff. So that's like the best sounding noise. Nah, that doesn't make sense. That's like the best noise a car can do besides a whine, but I just prefer a turbo sound over a whine, but that's just me. This car. So there is a bit of lag, obviously, because it's a rear mount, but it's actually not that bad. I mean, obviously when I'm racing in Mexico, of course, I'll brake boost. I still need to get that down because I'm not good at it yet, but once I get that down, it'll definitely help me out. Or I'm gonna get probably anti-lag because I don't have it. I can hear the exhaust leak and it sounds like crap. Oh damn, what was that? Oh, there's a Camaro over there. Is that an SS? Can't even see from here. Been saying that I need some brakes like for the last probably like 3 months, and I still haven't installed my Brembos, man. Oh, there's a Camaro behind me. I wonder who it is. I thought it was a cop, but it's not. All right, this is perfect for like a 20 roll. Hopefully there's no cop. All right, let's. Oh my god, I missed the fucking gear. I missed the gear. I'm a noob. was running there. Oh, we're getting near a hospital. A lot of cops are back here, but I don't care. I'm full send it. Bro, is this camera trying to catch up or what? This car is way more fun now. Just hearing that turbo flutter, man, I highly recommend you boosting your car, even if it takes, I know it's expensive, but definitely well worth it. Definitely well worth it. Keep stacking your money and get that turbo. I'm gonna try and brake boost. I honestly don't know how yet, so don't fucking talk shit to me. Don't talk shit. I still don't know how to brake boost, guys. Please don't bash me in the comments. I know I'm bad, I know I'm bad. I gotta get practice. I'm kind of going around in circles because right here where I live, there's really not that many long streets where I can like kind of like floor it, or not floor it, but just kind of like step on it. I'm gonna try and do a 20 roll here. We need to get a 20 roll for the YouTube. Oh my god, that felt good. Even with all them exhaust leaks. Dude, I'm abusing the hell out of this car. I'm sorry. I shouldn't even be abusing it right now, man, because of the leaks and stuff. It's not even running right. I still am going to turn up the boost. This is not how it's going to stay at. We did make over 400. If you guys want to know exactly what number, go check out my last video. But we did make over 400 wheel horsepower. My next goal is 500. And I know we can do that with probably like 15 pounds, 16 pounds. So once I fix these exhaust leaks, I'm definitely going to turn up the boost and I'm going to dyno again. I was aiming for 450, but nah. Now that I feel the power on this, like I feel like I need more power. So I'm definitely going to aim for 500 now and just keep the torque pretty low. Well, not that low, but I mean, because obviously it's the torque that breaks the cars, or the motors, not the cars, or the same shit. But yeah, it's basically that's what breaks the motors. So it's probably like, we'll probably keep it like at 300, nah, not 300, like 450, 440 torque and 5 wheel. That'll definitely be a beast. And to activate my anti-lag, because there is a lag, obviously. A lot of people tell me, and yes, I know there's a lag. I know it. Like, I know. You guys don't have to tell me. But once I get the anti-lag, I'm like in love with this car right now, man. Like, I was planning on selling it too, but no sir. I'm probably gonna do another like another 50 roll around there, and that's it. You guys didn't get to see, but my mom was literally right in front of me in her car. If you guys know the little white daily that I sometimes take, just over there. Oh, there's a fucking cop, bro. Are you serious? Look. Oh. I don't know if I want to go that way now. Oh my god. I'm gonna go after this car. Oh, I think he's doing it. Is he doing a return? No, he's not. Damn, I'm really risking this for y'all. You guys better subscribe, like, comment. The risk that we have to take. Oh, it smells kind of funny. I hope that's not my car. I'm literally risking my car and my life. I gotta check it out right now. It's fine, no worries. costly because they sound like crap. I'm gonna check my car real quick because it kind of smells like oil, so I'm gonna make sure everything's fine. Let's see. Alright, there's nothing right here. I don't see no oil leak or any type of fluid leak. Let's see the back. Nope, everything seems to be perfect. Thank God. Let's go. All right, let's go to the last 50 roll for y'all. All right, let's try and do the last 50 roll. All right. Damn, it was kind of wet right there, so hopefully I don't spin. I'm not gonna brake boost this time. Not that I know how, but all right, let's see. That's 50. Yeah, I kind of feel slower now. Oh my God, those brakes! He told me to slow down. I am slowing down, bro. It's just my brakes suck. Yeah, you can kind of see that the car's already not overheating, but it's literally like constant pulls and stuff. So let me just go home and end the video. All right, guys, so that's gonna conclude today's video. Finally got that POV drive with a Z now that's boosted, so you guys can hear them turbo flutters and turbo sounds. I am not running any blowout valve. It's simply just straight wastegate, you can see right there. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that like button, help my channel grow. We're already at 5K, which definitely means a lot. So yeah, like I said, without further ado, thank you guys so much for the continued support. Like, sub if you're new, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.